One of the reasons why there is a lot of concern is because children 12 and under are unprotected right now. And that's obviously the concern going into the school year. It's the reasons why a lot of us are wearing masks again indoors, even if we're vaccinated. All these precautions really to protect children until we can see the vaccines for those kids 12 and under. Any update on the progress of those vaccines?
There, so as to when they're going to be approved, it's harder to get data on children. It's harder to do studies on children. It requires a lot more careful consideration for obvious reasons. Now that is being done. The last statement that I saw from an FDA official predicted sometime this winter. So not necessarily soon. It is possible that we would see an emergency use authorization request prior to that. But I doubt it. With a lower impact on kids, I'm guessing it's going to be a few months before we see that. And I don't love that situation myself. I have an 11-year-old son and would love to see him vaccinated. At the same time, I want to see them go through the process correctly. I want to see things done right. And so in the meantime, we are left with things like masks and social distancing. I think a lot of the angst that people are feeling now about kids and their return to school is a reflection of fatigue. We went through last year and part of the year before that with school, and it's not been fun. Children have missed, large segments of school, and the online thing is less than perfect, and the lack of social contact is a problem for kids. But we have demonstrated it can be done, even if it's not fun. And we are almost certainly looking at going through it again for at least a significant period of time.